Hi guys, here's our room at the Rosen International on International Drive. We've got two very comfy queen beds. Just excuse the messes, we've already been here a week. But you've got the Samsung TV, charging points in the lights, aircon down there next to Josh.
You point out we've been here a week, so that's why the room is trash.
You got the safe down there, which we've got our stuff in. You got the alarm clock there that's got plug sockets and two charging ports. You also got plug sockets in the light there as well. There's plenty of storage, both under the TV and then the four drawers there. And a big wardrobe there. A full-size mirror. In the first part of the bathroom, you've got a fridge, and the microwave, tea and coffee they replenish every day, coffee machine and hairdryer, as well as towels and everything are normally under there. Also plenty of space up here to hang your stuff up to dry. Right here in the bathroom. Over the bathtub shower. There's the products they leave each day. It's a very good shower, nice and powerful. They leave plenty of towels and everything. Right, let's have a look at the view from our room. You can see down onto Idrive there. Got a couple of coaches making a racket downstairs. It's normally quite quiet. You got the Orlando Eye just there, McDonald's, Perkins there, IHOP just over there, and just round that way you've got Chili's. You also got Denny's, Burger King there as well. There's plenty of places to eat. Icon Park's probably about a 5-minute walk. As you go further down there, you can actually see into Universal Studios. Okay, that concludes our room tour here at the Rosen International, 7600 on International Drive. See you all soon, guys. Bye.